First, I want to say thank you to Zing for sending us these toys for free.
Hello, I know you guys are in there. Hello, I can see your tail. Oh, hi guys. You guys know that there are 2 birds in this cage. Well, I would like to let them out so they can play and fly. So, let's see. Hey, you guys. Oh, I can see your tail moving. I know you're alive. Woohoo! Well, anyway, I'll let the toy commander kick them out of their cage so they can go out and fly. This ought to be fun!
Greetings, everyone. This is your toy commander. And are you guys ready for today's mission? Great, so am I.
Planet Zizzle!
All right, kids, today we have ZING Go Go Bird. And they are in this cage right here. There are 2 birds in there. Let's go ahead and open up the cage and let our friends out to fly. Whoa, there's one right there. And there's another one at the top. Let's see if we can get him out right through this door. And there he is right there, a green one and a red one. I do have to say this is really cool packaging, but I don't believe when you buy it, it comes in this type of package. I think it comes in like a box, but this is so cool. It's in a bird cage. Let's take them out. Okay guys, here are the 2 birds out of the package, and they come with these nice little stands, so when you're not flying your bird, it's a safe place to store them. And here are the 2 remotes for each bird. It's very simple to operate. The green button up front here is the trigger button. This is your joystick. This will go faster, slower, and then to the right and to the left. Pretty basic. This is your off and on button. And these functions right here are some functions that are kind of like autopilot. You press this green one and it'll do counterclockwise in a circle, and this one is clockwise, and then the one down here is like a figure 8. You just need 2 AAA batteries for each remote. Now, a couple other things I want to show you on here. On the back, there's this little tab. You can push it in or pull it out for your bird to go faster or slower. And this right here is also your bird's rudder. We'll steer it from left to right. And here's a look at the inside. You guys can see the motor, the working components right in there. It's kind of neat, right? Pretty cool. Okay, so here's what's in the package. This is the USB charger with this little lithium-ion battery that plugs right in here. You can charge this battery, and it comes with a small screwdriver. Also, these birds are very lightweight. They have 2 sets of wings right here, and it's very, very light, like a plastic film here. And the same with the tail. And here's your rudder. It goes left to right, and these long tails dangling off the back are pretty cool. And these birds have a range of up to 100 feet, so you have plenty of space to fly your bird. It also comes with quick start guide. It gives you some directions on how to install your batteries. There's a green indicator light when you're turned on. There's the power button right on the bottom of the bird, right down there, a small little button. And right here it shows you the proper way to launch your bird is not to throw it too fast, it's just to give it a small push. And there's a whole list right here for tips and tricks with your Go-Go Bird. So your Go-Go Bird has 2 different flight modes. There's autonomous obstacle avoidance mode and manual mode. Now the autonomous obstacle avoidance mode is the mode that the Go-Go Bird will automatically turn to avoid collisions without remote control operation. So the indicator light for your bird is right here on the remote. If you want it in the autonomous obstacle avoiding mode, that's a green light. The blue light will mean manual mode, and the flashing light will be low battery. So your Go-Go Bird can also cycle through different colored lights on the bottom of your bird. We have a green, a yellow, blue, cayenne, magenta, or white light. When charging your batteries, the red light will go out and your batteries will be fully charged. It takes about 20 minutes to charge for about 10 minutes of flying time. I think we've done enough talking. Now it's time to get these birds out and flying. Let's go. Whoa! Okay guys, that's it for this video with ZING's Go Go Bird. We have the red and the green. That was so much fun. I want to say thank you again to Zing for sending us these two birds. Don't forget to smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Planet Zizzle to keep the missions going. This is your Toy Commander signing off, and I will see you on our next mission. It's time for me to blast off out of here.